Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I decided to go with the rear recovery hitch on the right side of the 4Runner, or the passenger side of the 4Runner. I was waiting for the 6th element version to come out that matches my fronts, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But they have been lagging, and I don't know why, but here they are. These are anodized, the rear are powder coated, but I'm not waiting. I don't feel like waiting in today's world. Either get your stuff together or you don't care. But here it is. It's the OEM Toyota version. I'll put the part number below so you guys can see it. Took 5 minutes to put on. Utilizes the same bolts as the original black one that came stock on it, and then matches the powder coat red of the Agency 6. I got it on sale. I think it was like about 90 bucks shipped. So there you have it. Decided to go with that as well. Nice little pop of red. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel, guys. I know I've been MIA, but just busy with work. Thanks again. Until next time.